What's that?
Daddy.
Come on.
Daddy, help.
Hold on, Bean. Let's go. So, we don't have the camera, so I'm actually using my phone. Look how you looking. We're using the phone. We're using the phone, y'all. So right now, y'all can see we're actually out here feeding my mom's husband, stepdad. Well, we're not like actually feeding, but resupplying. Come on, AB. Huh? You got it?
Let me help me.
It is so much difficult to
Let me help
look.
me.
Stop, Brielle. You can't do it. It is so difficult. I got it. Watch your hand. I'm talking about the record on the phone versus the camera. Go unlock that. You got it, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I do this when I'm putting the dog on a tree. When I'm like walking the chain on
You ain't even unlocked the door. This guy, y'all.
Yeah, I do this when
You want to take this?
Yeah.
Turn around like this. Let me see that, Brielle. Give me this. Come on.
donkey and horse right there. So I can go in.
I'm like, what are you doing? Stop, little girl.
Yeah, her photos. The photos. Wait, what are you going to do with the hay?
It's for the horses to eat.
Oh.
Yeah. All right, I'm going out to get another one. Stop, Brielle.
Go, y'all. There's a donkey right there. Donkey.
Come on.
Brielle, move. Brielle, move.
Yeah, let's go. You done petted that donkey before. Come on.
Who?
Brielle.
Oh.
Yeah, that donkey petted. She's petted the donkey before.
It doesn't really kick like that.
Huh?
I said it doesn't really kick people that much. Okay, so we're getting in.
Trying to get it. Let me see. You got it? You want to make another trip? Come on. All right. Come on, Bean. My boy said he got this. See what you got. Go ahead.
It's heavy.
So y'all see what happened to the back of my mom's truck?
Yeah.
Because we didn't.
He did it.
No.
Yes.
Stop the capery.
Yes, you did.
Stop
He
the
did
capery.
it.
She didn't know she was getting hay for the horse today, y'all. And this is what we drove, so
You gotta wash out the car.
yeah. Here you go. You want to put that in there? All right. What you doing over here? Little one. Go ahead. My little helper, man. Come on, you got it. Yeah. Uh-oh, come on. Almost. Almost. Come on. Come on. Grab that side. Grab that side. You ready? That's what I'm talking about. All right. I'm gonna grab this right here. I'm gonna get this hay here. And put the hay in there.
You messed up the truck.
I did not do that.
Yes, you did.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
Jeez Louise, this is crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got
That's not going to help.
Come on, give me this. Oh man, that's crazy. Oh, that sucks. That sucks.
Yeah.
Come on, Bean, let's go. Did they give you all the information?
That's on Stick's mom.
So you gotta tell him. He been recording me. It's hard to record with the phone versus the camera.
It's
Make
not-
sure I keep the camera.
It's not hard to record with the phone.
To me, it is. I don't know, cause I'm used to the
GoPro.
you know, the GoPro, and then you being able to spin it and everything like that. So,
Where did the donkey go? Let's see, where's the donkey? A donkey way over there. See it? It's a horse. Right over there. I can show you. Alright,
I'm
so.
going in the moon.
Okay.
You got it?
Mhm.
Go ahead.
Right. You see it? Mm-hmm. See that burn right there? That's a donkey.
Hey,
Like in front of the black and
Hey, doggy.
in front of the white and tan. The tan and white. That's a donkey right there.
No, doggy.
Yeah, working with the horse. Let's see. See, yeah. You know what? Oh. There we go. Horse feed. Yeah. Oh, so we also have some what you call it, chickens over there.
Hey, B,
Yes, sir.
come on.
Okay. It was
Show 'em
lighter than it is in on the
Show 'em
phone.
the food, different foods and stuff.
Is that the one that smells bad?
Oh, all of that smell bad to me. Right here. Watch out, Benny. I don't know which one go on which. Let's see. You remember I was telling you about the easy open? Look. Let's see if we can get it. Told you. See
There you
that?
go.
That's why
There
it's
we
made for it. Oh, man. So,
That feed goes
that's,
in here.
but it's already full. I put a little bit in there, but it's already full.
I think this feed is probably going to be for that.
Then what now?
I think this feed is probably going to be for that.
All right, so
Let's see which one it goes in.
let's see what we got. We got the easy open bag. We got one. Let's see if we get another one.
I think you should tear from that part.
Got it. Well, it said the easy open. This the easy open side. And it works just like that. All right, so what these go?
Let's see.
Wait a minute. Oh, there she goes. All right, so we'll get back to it in a minute, y'all. We gotta figure out where this stuff goes. All right, now that we got that all situated and squared away, figured out where everything went. Let's go. Roam the farm a little bit. All right, come back this way. Come, what I just said.
That's like crow. You know.
Trying to get this to focus on the chickens.
It's just like recording on the.
Yeah, that's like crow and all them. That's how they gonna be. See how big they is? That's why I keep telling. That's why I was telling you. I was like, the birds that we got are baby. See, our chickens are about this big. See, we got the same thing. See how big they are? Those were the ours. Those are the size of ours, versus how big those are. You get what I'm saying? That's why I say we still got a bunch of babies. Our chickens are still babies compared to those big girls. Come on, what it is? You over there in the ant bed?
They still growing.
She talking about, oh yeah, they still growing. They gonna keep growing. They gonna get as big as those. Now look at those right there, and then look at those. They gonna get as big. They gonna get this same size. Come on, Brielle. We ain't finna West. Come on. They got the stable over there. That's nice. What's wrong? You got bit by ant? Yeah, okay, we finna go. Yeah. All right. Well, what you think, AB? Another successful day?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, well, we're gonna go ahead and close this out. You wanna do the closing out with me?